So today we are going to do fraction of fractions problems that you're going to see. And we're going to start off with a story problem. Larry has 1/2 of a fruit bar. He wants to give 1/2 to his brother. What part of a whole fruit bar will Larry give to his brother? So the first thing I'm going to do is shade in how much of a fruit bar that Larry has. So Larry, right now, if I shade it, he has 1/2. So 1 out of 2 pieces. So I'm going to kind of shade that in this blue color. So right now, if we're looking at one of those square fruit bars that looks like this, he only has this blue part. The next part of our story problem says that he wants to give 1/2 to his brother. So what I'm going to do is split the fruit bar the other way. So again, if I want 2 pieces, I'm just going to draw one line here. And he's going to give 1/2 of this fruit bar to his brother. So I'm going to shade in, here's 1 out of my 2 pieces going the other way. And so now what I'm looking at for my answer here is how many pieces are going to be double shaded. So this one right here has got the blue and the green. And how many pieces total do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1/2 of 1/2 is 1/4 of a fruit bar. And that's how much he is giving to his brother. So we're going to do another story problem so that you can watch me do this again as an example. Okay, Ava has 1/2 of a veggie pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and write 1/2 down, and I'm going to show you 1/2 here. So this is her pizza. It's one of those square pizzas I guess we're dealing with here. So she has 1 out of 2 pieces. That's what our fraction represents. So 1/2. This is Ava's pizza. So right now she has this in front of her. She eats 2/3 of this piece that she has. How much of the whole pizza did Ava eat? All right, so now I have to break apart what she has into 2/3. So 2/3 of that 1/2 that I already have. And if I want 3 pieces, I'm going to draw 2 lines. So 1 and 2. And she ate 2/3. So I need to shade in, here's 1/3. I'm shading that in. Remember, this is going the other way now. And here is my 2/3. And so now I'm going to find my answer. And the way I do that is I'm going to see, okay, how many pieces are double shaded? These 2 pieces. And then how many do I have total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2/3 of, if I just want 2/3 of that 1/2, how much of a whole is that? That's going to be 2/6 of a whole pizza. That is going to be my answer. All right, and we have a couple more examples here. I have 1/3 of 1/2. So I like to draw the second number first, so I'm going to draw 1/2 in pink. So here is my 1/2, and you can go horizontal or vertical first. It doesn't matter whichever way you prefer, so I'm going to shade in this 1/2. You will still get the same answer. So I'm shading in 1/2. So I have this, and now I want 1/3 of it. So now going the other way, I'm going to draw 1 and 2 lines, and I want just one of those 3, 1/3. So one of those 3. So I'll shade in this top piece all the way to the edge even. Okay, and so my answer, my numerator, is going to be how many pieces are double shaded. So I got this guy, 1, and then how many total pieces do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1/3 of 1/2 is 1/6. And then one final last example for us to try. I made it kind of like a larger number for us to look at. I have 5/6 of 3/4. So I'm going to shade in 3/4 first. And if I want fourths, I'm going to draw 3 lines. So 1, 2, and 3. I know it's not exactly perfect, but you can see I have fourths, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm going to shade in 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3. Shade in these 3 pieces because I have 3/4 to start off with. And this is not a story problem, but we could turn it and say, you know, eating 3 of my 4 pieces of brownies or something. And now I want 5/6 of that. So going the other way now, I want 6 pieces. I'm going to do this in pink. So I'm going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Always double checking that I have the right number of pieces here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's perfect because I need sixths. And now I'm going to shade in 5 of them because I have 5/6. So here we go. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're shading in all of this, which is quite a bit. Get that all shaded in. And then when we're done, we can count up our pieces. Okay, so now what I'm going to count first is how many pieces do I have double shaded? So you can kind of see that green and pink overlapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 that are double shaded out of how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So my answer is 15/24, and I did that by double shading. And this is something that may be new to you. You might want to watch the video again just to kind of see how we, draw each fraction first and then shade. But that's why we have the videos so that we can replay and pause and try them. So here are your lesson practice problems. You will have to, if you're trying these on a piece of paper, draw your own squares. And so you have 3 of them to try.